Hi there, Olympic locksmiths in Birmingham here again, and we're joining the Vice Brigade today. We're going to pick the Union Y2134E 5-lever British Standard 3261 2007 deadlock. I've got a little lock here. I'm going to put up to the camera if I can. I'm going to show you the kinds of levers we're picking. You can see them. Okay. The lock I've got in my hand is actually a chub lock. The levers are the same levers as in the Union, which we're going to pick. Now you can see how sharp these levers are. I can get my finger in here without blocking you out too much. Here we go. You get an idea of how sharp. You can see if that gets jammed into the bolt, which is just to the left of it. If you haven't got the picking order right, you know it's going to take a well, you're just going to be putting too much force on your pick, and you're just not going to get that out of that pick. I mean, that is tight. That bolt just, I mean, you have to do this quite accurately, but it can be done, as hopefully we're about to show you. So I'll just move the packaging. I just want to show you. You can see this is a pretty darn new lock. So the levers on this are really sharp. On older 2332s, if you put it into anti-pick, you can if they're worn a little bit, you can actually jump them out. You won't be able to do that on this one. I've got to try and pick it open. Okay, well, here goes. Again, I'll try to do a fresh video for you. I've only picked this lock once before, about 2 hours ago, to be honest with you, when I ripped open the packaging, took it out and decided to have a go at it. Surprisingly enough, it didn't actually take me very long. I'm going to be trying to pick it as usual. I'm going to pick it to the right hand side. If it's in a left hand, if it's a left hand lock in left hand door, you've got a rebate, you've got to pick them on the right hand side. It's a bit more awkward, it's a little bit more realistic. So the camera position is going to make it harder for me trying to get round there, but that's good, because that's what we want. We want to make it difficult. So here goes, as I'm trying to fiddle and get me pick in the right position, so you can see. Okay. Right, 3 minutes and 12, 13, 14 seconds. Let's just see how we can go. Gentle pressure, not too, you know, nice and easy. Don't put too much pressure on it. And listen to those levers tapping. Like that. Right, I've jumped into anti-pick. Okay, drop her back out. I think we need to pick again. Okay. got this now. We'll know which is going into anti-pick. There we go. Okay. It was the number 4 lever that I was going to anti-pick with. So that took about 3 minutes. Went to anti-pick a couple of times. Yeah, as I say, number 3 lever was the lever going into anti-pick. It probably took me a little bit longer to work it out. I picked it earlier on, quicker than that, to be honest with you. But it just goes to show, you know, unless you remember your picking order, which I didn't remember the picking order earlier on, it's going to take you a little bit longer, but still 3 minutes for a British standard lock, and I'm sort of trying to do it to the left of you. Hold on, just to take this out if we can and just show you. I don't know if you've seen it turning. I haven't even looked at the camera. Just see that lock going in and out, and just to unlock it completely, and just to show, because theoretically I suppose a person could remove levers and make this a hell of a lot easier, but you know, there's a key going in. On top of that, let's go one step further. Let's open it up, turn it a bit more for you. Hopefully it's not going to pop out. We'll have a look at what we just picked. I'll move these screws, I'll put it back together. I'll have to use this lock on a job perhaps. Yeah. Well, there you go. Now if you lift the lever, you can see this, so you can see that sharp little lever in there. Just back there. And this last lever, number 5, you know, you practically had nothing to lift. Okay then, Olympic Locksmiths in Birmingham, leaving you with that until next time, and we'll get you another lock picked. Okay, thank you for watching. I will answer my phone now, because I think I might have a job. Okay, thanks.